Press the power button to start and set up the tablet. The Google Play Store, Google Assistant, YouTube, Gmail, Maps, and Google Duo are all pre-installed, so you can get started right away. How to connect an external SD card. Open the microSD card slot on the top of the tablet by using the pin provided. Install the microSD card into the microSD card slot. Go to Quick Setting and tap Setup. Set the microSD card as a portable storage by selecting Portable Storage. Enter the microSD card storage location to move files between the card and the tablet. Now go to Settings, Storage to see the external disk space available. How to take a screenshot. Press and hold the power button and volume down at the same time. Press and hold the power button until the Device Options menu appears. It will show Power Off, Restart, and Screenshot. Select Screenshot. The screenshots will be saved in the Photos file. Enjoy your KingPad SA10!